No fewer than 21 civil society organizations have adopted the resolution of the House of Representatives on the Northeast Development Commission (NEDC) CSOs under the auspices of coalition of human rights groups and independent monitors therefore urged the Commission to sustain its mantra of accountability and transparency. The group, which made this known at a press conference in Abuja, said it came to this conclusion after a systematic appraisal of the activities of the agency. In a report co-signed by Convener Comrade Bassey Ekpeong, Secretary Barrister Joy Kongswak, alongside head of other groups, the CSO hailed NEDC for its strategic intervention, urging international partners to maintain their relationship with the agency. According to the report, the NEDC, under the leadership of MD CEO Mohammed Ankali, has been outstanding in the areas of accountability, transparency, project implementation, organization structure, among others.
After a detailed scrutiny of the organization's operation, it was realized that the various departments operate under an open policy that emphasized accountability and transparency. From our findings, the NEDC is a bastion of accountability and transparency. This much was evident in the way and manner the resources of the agency are judiciously utilized. This much was gathered after extensive interaction with contractors, staffers, religious and community leaders in communities in the northeastern states and other relevant stakeholders.
The group said after it embarked on an assessment tour of the region, it discovered an overwhelming presence of the agency in most communities, especially in terms of infrastructures. On the report of corruption, the CSO said the allegations were sponsored by disgruntled politicians, giving Ankali's tough stance with regards to the finances of the agency.
In the appraisal of the activities of the NEDC since inception, the Coalition of Human Rights Groups and independent monitors undertook on-the-spot visit to selected communities in the northeast Nigeria, and the result was overwhelmingly positive. The impact of the NEDC in northeastern Nigeria within the short period was very commendable, as its presence was felt in almost all communities straddling the states in northeast Nigeria.
As part of its recommendation, the group, however, urged the NEDC to constantly engage critical media constituency in carrying out its various interventions in the northeast Nigeria.
The NEDC should constantly engage critical media constituencies in the carrying out of various interventions in the northeast. 2. The NEDC should convoke a periodic town hall meeting with critical stakeholders to keep them abreast of its activities.